Alright, let's start with standard system attacks. Almost every internet user have an idea of virus. What is computer virus? Actually, simply we can call the virus the mobile malicious code, or we may call it Trojan horse, or we may call it worms. Actually, they have tiny differences, but the main idea is same. They are malicious codes, and you may consider them as a small program that alters or changes the way computer operates without the knowledge of the computer's users, and often does various types of damage by deleting or corrupting data and program files, and or even changing the operating system components so that computer operations is impaired. But the key point is this happens without the knowledge of the computer's users. That's the key point, because almost it's impossible to interfere the process. Another type of attacks are implemented in the form of worms, and the computer worm is also a program that copies itself from one system to another over the network, and that also happens without the assistance of human being, the user. Actually, the worms usually propagate themselves by transferring from computer to computer via email, and then you see the warning notifications on Gmail that you shouldn't open this email or this spam because the source is unknown, or the data that it contains it may be harmful for your device. And typically the virus or a worm is transported as a Trojan horse. Actually, the Trojan horse is hiding itself inside a harmless looking piece of code. Email also can be example for this kind of attack. And uh, all the systems has some weakest links, and the companies, the corporates, they are announcing the dates that they will release the patches. Actually, the patches are programs that repairs or fix the holes, the weakest links, in order to make the system more secure. Then even some hackers, they are to uh, waiting companies to announce the date that they will release these, let's say, the patches. Okay, other standard attacks are denial of service attacks, email bombing, and botnets. The logic behind of them are quite easy, just keeping the servers busy. The bombarding computer site with so many messages that site is incapable of answering valid requests. Actually, it's busy with the illegitimate requests, and it doesn't have time to operate properly. Then email bombing, as the same thing goes, because the user sends an excessive amount of unwanted email to someone. The malicious programs that take over operations on a computer comprised the infected computer. We also call them botnets.